Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, and we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used on the carrier or on a carrier other than the one that it originally came from. By default, most devices are going to come with some sort of lock that prevents them from being used on any network other than the original one, and they have to undergo some type of unlock process in order to be able to be used with a different carrier. Now, here with me today, I have a Galaxy J3 Mission, originally from Verizon. See if my focus will cooperate here to let you read the info on the back. And then if not, I'll just go ahead and look at the settings here. So we can see that we do indeed have a SM-J327V with the PP designation. Now specifically that indicates a prepaid device on Verizon, and those devices are actually sold and set up a little bit differently than the normal contract devices. Most people are already aware of the fact that a normal Verizon contract device, for the most part, already comes SIM unlocked for use on other carriers. And that's actually a requirement from the FCC based on the type of network that they use. But prepaid devices fall under a completely different category, and any prepaid devices that they sell, for the most part, come SIM locked to Verizon and have to undergo some sort of unlock process. Now, we have a SIM card from a different carrier inserted here, so if I jump into the notifications, we'll see something here that says non-Verizon SIM card inserted, and it says tap here to use it on a different network. Now, if I go ahead and tap on that, we get this screen. It says to change carriers, please call Verizon, and, oh, come on, my focus isn't. There we go. Please call Verizon to learn how you can activate this device on another carrier's network. And then it says to enter the code you get from Verizon. Now, obviously, you have to comply with all of the requirements in order to be able to get that code. One of the requirements probably being that you have to be the original owner of the phone, and then they're also probably going to require you to have used that device on their network for a certain period of time before they will give you that code to unlock the phone. So we've been contacted by tons of different clients asking if we have a way to be able to unlock this type of device for those that either got it from a third-party source, so they weren't the original owner, or if they weren't happy with Verizon service and didn't want to use it on Verizon for the necessary amount of time to have them do the unlock for you. And so we are making this video to let our clients know that yes, we do offer a service to be able to do this in this case. We do have a source and a method to be able to get those unlock codes, and so that's what we're going to do right here, right now. So we do have the code for this phone, and I just need to punch it in here on the screen. C61954220. Done. Okay, so I have the code entered in here now, and I'll get my focus to cooperate back again. Once we hit the submit button, there we go. Go over in here and hit submit. There we go. It says code accepted. And so then the phone's unlocked. So now, when we go ahead and look in the notifications, we don't have that message telling us to call Verizon. It simply says that the SIM card is not from Verizon. And that's a very standard message that shows up on all Verizon devices, even if they're the ones that already come unlocked. It doesn't mean anything, doesn't mean you can't use the SIM card. It's just telling you, hey, this isn't a Verizon SIM. Once unlocked here in the US, the phone would be usable with GSM networks, which are either AT&T or T-Mobile, and then also any prepaid carriers that run on those networks. So those would be your choices here if you were to have a phone like that you wanted to get done. And if you are someone who has a Galaxy J3, the prepaid version from Verizon, and wants to get its SIM unlocked for use on another network, go ahead and contact us because we would be more than happy to help you out with that. All of our contact information will be right in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that interests you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes no duden en contactarse con nosotros. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.